In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check domain availability on Hostinger step by step. If you're planning to start a website, blog, online store, or even a personal portfolio, the very first thing you need is a domain name. Your domain is the address people type into their browser to find your website, so choosing the right one is extremely important. The good news is, Hostinger makes it very easy to check whether the domain you want is available or already taken. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process inside the Hostinger dashboard so you can quickly search for domain names and find the perfect one for your project. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your Hostinger account. Once you enter your email and password, you'll land inside the Hostinger dashboard, which is where you manage your hosting, domains, and websites. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu with several options, such as hosting, websites, emails, and domains. What you want to do here is click on the option that says Domains. After clicking Domains, you'll see different domain-related options. To check whether a domain is available, click on the button that says Get a Domain. This will open Hostinger's domain search tool. This is the tool that allows you to instantly check if the domain you want is available to register. Now you'll see a search bar where you can type the domain name you want to check. Go ahead and enter your desired domain name in the search field. For example, this could be the name of your brand, your business, your YouTube channel, or even your personal name. After typing your domain idea, click the Search or Check Availability button. Hostinger will now scan the domain registry and check whether that domain name is available. This process usually only takes a second. Once the results load, Hostinger will show you whether your domain is available for registration or if it has already been taken by someone else. If the domain is available, you'll typically see a message indicating that the domain can be registered, along with the price for that domain extension, such as .com, .net, or other extensions. From here, you can add the domain to your cart and continue with the registration process if you want to secure it right away. However, if the domain you search for is already taken, don't worry. Hostinger will automatically suggest alternative domain names that are similar to the one you entered. These suggestions might include different extensions like .net or .io, or slightly modified variations of your original name. Sometimes these alternatives can actually be even better than the original idea, so it's always worth looking through the suggestions. A helpful tip when searching for domain names is to keep them short, simple, and easy to remember. Avoid using complicated spelling or too many numbers and hyphens if possible. A clean and memorable domain name makes it much easier for people to find your website and remember your brand. You can repeat this process as many times as you want until you find a domain that is available and fits your project perfectly. Just keep entering new ideas in the search bar and checking the results until you discover the best option. And that's all there is to it. That's how you check domain availability on Hostinger quickly and easily using the domain search tool inside your dashboard. Once you find the right domain, you can register it immediately and start building your website. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger tutorials, website setup guides, and beginner-friendly tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.